Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from ThruNite. Now this here is their TC12. Now I have the cool white version, comes in this box. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. They're having a special promotion sale, so they wanted to feature this on my channel. So let's wait no further, let's open this up and see what's in. There's a little warning here letting you know that the barrel is loose on the body for reasons. That way the battery will last longer during transportation or storage. And you have a user manual, multi-languages, and we're going to find the English side here. Now, as you can see there, you've got 1100 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read that, sorry about the shadow here, I have a 4K camera so it's quite a bit bigger. So if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen, otherwise we're going to move on. There's a card here. They want to know what you think of their products. And you get one USB charging cable. And we got a lanyard as well as a O-ring. And it looks like an extra power switch cover, and you get one clip, which we'll put that on later, and we've got one holster here. That does have a D-ring on there, and this is a little on the thin side. This is stretchable material here. It is padded though. We'll take a look at that later. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Knurling here on the tail, knurling on the body. So you can see there, that is the V2. A little bit of heat sinking here. The way the head of the light's kind of flat on certain areas. Stop it from rolling as easy. You can tail stand that if you need to. Power switch on the side does stick out a little bit. And here's the charging port. Feels pretty snug. Great for everyday carry, definitely small enough for both tactical uses. Tail clicky. That looks really nice. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Knurling here is not real smooth. Definitely will help with gripping. Machining and finish on this is excellent. No issues whatsoever. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-L HTV6 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. You got the tail spring on here. A little bit of grease on the threads. And this is running the 3400 milliamp protected cell. This is a 8 amp cell and give you some really nice run times. Not too sure if this comes off. Yep, it does, so we'll go ahead and remove it, show you spring on the head. A little bit of grease there as well. Now we're going to go ahead and put it all back together. When you get the light, the barrel or the tail could be loose, so make sure that you tighten that up well when charging the light before you use it. And now let's go ahead and check out the UI. UI is straightforward. I'm going to activate the light. You can see it's on here. And that's pretty low light output on that. And now we'll go through those light outputs. As you can see there, this is a battery level. Blue. Now this will turn red when it gets low, and it'll start to blink when it gets critically low. There's the beam. As you can see, nice centralized hotspot. Does have bleeding around the edge of that. Spill is a sharp cutoff there. That's probably going to have a good combination beam. A lot of light coming out of there. And then we're back through the regular UI. Now if you do want strobe on any level, you can press and hold, and that is a constant rate of speed on the flash, and that is distracting. Click it one time. This does have memory mode. I'll put it on here on the highest level. You now can use it as a pressure switch for tactical purposes. So, tactical, everyday carry. and it's thin enough where you can easily grip that well. And once you do have it on and you want it on there, you can just full press that to leave it on. And that's all there is to this light. Solid build quality on this. Not seeing any issues. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThruNite TC12. We'll go ahead and get started, see how it does. And it is on, believe it or not. It's very faint on this light level. There it is on the fence. I'll give you an idea here. Alright, let's go to the next level here. See how it does. There it is on the fence. Got a good, nice, large hotspot combination beam. The water spout's 35 feet from where I'm standing. That tree there is 65 feet, so you can see it's making it there. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. There we go. And see there. And it's making 138 feet now. Now if you're wondering, the UI does, you have to cycle back through them after you've been on it for a little while. Normal. 65 feet to this tree now. Still has come alive, as you can see there. Fence line, tree line. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Next level, that looks good. "238 feet to that tree behind the tree of life here. That looks really good. See how it does. There's the highest output. Do a before and after here. Very nice light output, especially for such a compact light. Making it across the park there now. Do a beam profile here. Still got good battery power. Impressive light output. More than enough for most people. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance on this. Very impressed with it. It's got a good combination beam on there. Nice throw for such a compact light. Now let's go ahead and put the clip on here. That way, see what this looks like here. As you can see, you can leave it off if you don't want it on there. Kind of like clips versus the, that is pretty stiff, so that'll be good. Hold that tight to your pant pocket. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it here in the holster. The holster is okay, and kind of wish they went with a double stitched material here on the belt loop, but it's not the worst I've seen. So, and it does provide some pretty good protection on both sides of the light, so that's good. A little bit of a padding in there as well. Now, it doesn't surprise me, ThruNite is top notch on their build quality and performance on the lights that I've received over the years, so didn't have any questions about that or concerns. So I want to thank ThruNite for sending me this to review. Now they are holding a special event, and I will leave the link down in the description that will be to that special event, which also will help you save some money on this. The discount code will be down there as well, just in case you might be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from ThruNite to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.